friends, welcome back to our channel Bong Food Priyoshi. Today we are going to prepare butter naan. Here I have taken a bowl and 300 grams of flour. Two teaspoons sugar, grated garlic, add about 2 teaspoons. Add 100 grams of yogurt, add 1 teaspoon baking powder and salt according to your taste. Now we will add 4 teaspoons refined oil. Use warm water to make the dough. Our dough is ready for resting. Now I am applying some oil for not letting it dry. Now keep it in rest at least for 30 minutes. After resting it for 30 minutes, now we can start making butter naan. Now make the naan in oval shape, or you can make it round if you want. Sprinkle some grated garlic and black cumin. Flip it over and apply some water to make the surface sticky so that it can stick to the pan. Here let me tell you friends, I don't have an iron pan, so I am using a non-stick pan, but it is ideal to use iron pan. Apply some butter on it. Just to let you know, because I don't have an iron pan, so I couldn't flip it over and process the other side, so I am doing this way. At the very end, add some more butter to justify the name. Our butter naan is ready to serve. Here I am serving with chicken keema and chana masala. If you haven't seen those recipes, go check it out in description box below.